Unraveling the Meaning, Bug Out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the English phrase, bug out. This phrase can be quite intriguing and confusing for English learners, so we're here to clear up any doubts and help you understand how to use it correctly in different contexts. Let's get started. The phrase, bug out, originally comes from military slang. In a military context, it means to retreat rapidly or to abandon a position because staying there is too dangerous. For instance, if soldiers are under heavy fire and they can't hold their position any longer, their commander might order them to bug out to a safer location. In everyday English, bug out has taken on a broader meaning. People use it to talk about leaving a place quickly, often because of an unexpected or stressful situation. For example, if a party gets too loud and chaotic, you might decide to bug out and go home. It conveys a sense of urgency and a need to escape from a particular place or situation. Now, let's look at some example sentences to see how bug out is used. 1. When the fire alarm went off, we all had to bug out of the building. 2. I'm going to bug out early from work today. I need some rest. 3. The party was fun until the neighbors complained about the noise, and then we had to bug out. In all of these examples, bug out is used to describe leaving quickly or escaping from a place. There are other phrases in English that have a similar meaning to bug out. Here are a few. Beat a hasty retreat. To leave quickly to avoid trouble or danger. Make a run for it. To escape from a place or situation quickly. Take off. To leave a place quickly. These phrases can often be used interchangeably with bug out, depending on the context. And that's a wrap on bug out. We hope this video has helped shed some light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, understanding the nuances of English idioms and phrases can really take your language skills to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.